Hi, Nhi.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's great. What's the weather in Vietnam now?
Uh, I think
Very hot?
it's quite cold.
Wow. Here also in my country, it's very cold. Okay, so I will
Uh,
share to you the screen. Oh, Lillian is dancing at the back. I don't know what happened to her. She's dancing a lot. Ta, ta, ta. Okay, so can you see this one? Okay, our lesson is about late checkout. When you get in the hotel and you will gonna have late checkout. Hey, so late checkout. Do you have any idea what do you mean by late checkout?
what?
What do you mean by late checkout?
What?
What do you mean by late checkout? When you go in the hotel and you were gonna check in and you will go home after the day after tomorrow, what is checkout?
What is checkout?
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Uh, um,
What do you mean by checkout? Late checkout.
I think checkout is the process of the hotel living when paying for the room.
Okay. Okay. What might you need to request a late checkout at the hotel? Okay, what might you need?
What might need to request?
Okay, what might you need to request a late checkout? Example, you
Uh,
were gonna check out. What might you need?
I don't know. I uh, request a late checkout.
Yeah, okay. I will gonna check out what might you need. Of course, first you have to call the reception area. So you have to inform that you will gonna have to do check out now. Okay, I will gonna check out now. I will gonna leave. Okay, so you will do the thing that I gonna leave. Okay, that's check out. Okay, Okay, so we have
Okay.
here, let us act out the dialogue and check your answer. I am the receptionist and you are Jenny. Okay, so I will ask. Okay, here are the keys to your room, mom.
Thank you. Is it okay if I request a late checkout?
I will need to see if the duty manager will allow it. Our usual checkout time is before noon. That's 12 noon.
Yeah,
Usual
but my
checkout.
flight won't be until 8 p.m., so I was hoping to leave the hotel at 6 p.m.
Oh, I will see the duty manager and try to make arrangement for you to check out late. I will confirm with you later today if the duty manager has approved it. Jenny?
All right, thank you. I I appreciate your help.
Okay, so here, so they're talking about checking out late. What is the time that Jenny wants to check out? Jenny wants to check out at what time?
What?
What time did Jenny wants to check out? Jenny wants to check out at what time?
Uh, uh, I think 6 p.m.
It's 6 p.m. Okay, so why do you think that he will gonna check out at 6 p.m., not 12
because
noon? Because 12 noon is the original checkout.
because she was hoping to leave the hotel at around 6 p.m.
Okay, so now we have here duty manager. Can you see the red, uh, the red word? Okay, duty manager. What do you mean by duty manager? What is manager? What do you mean by duty manager?
Uh, Duty manager.
What is it? What is duty manager? Okay, how about arrangement? What do you mean by the word arrangement?
Arrangement. Uh, Arrangement. I think is like uh, how to say.
Arrangement. I will make an arrangement for your wedding. I will make an arrangement for your birthday
It's like
party.
prepare. It's like prepare.
Yeah, very good. It's like preparing. Very good. So the one here in the red, they are all vocabulary. How about approve? What do you mean by approve?
Approve.
Okay, what do you mean by approve?
Approve. I think is approved means yes. I
Okay, so
agree with it.
I agree with it. How about the word appreciate?
Applicate. Mm, Applicate is mean like mm, I don't know how to say. Applicate mean. I think it's mean we applicated for five five stars or 4 stars, or we applicated high or loud.
Okay, so appreciate it means I will gonna say something positive like, oh, thank you so much, me. Thank you for doing that. Oh, that's appreciate. You say something positive. You appreciate the thing, right? So these are the four words: duty manager, arrangement, approve, and appreciate. Okay. So please read again and then remember all the words because I will let you answer questions. So this is about checking out.
What?
Okay, if you're done, you tell me, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, done? Okay, hide the
Yeah, done.
question. Please write the question in the chat box. We have three. This is again about checking out, late checkout. Like you were gonna have checkout 12 and then you request a late checkout. Da 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 da. Oh, wait. What happened? Where is it?
Oh,
Wait. What does the web service? Let check out. Okay, that one. Sorry. Okay, you're done. 6
No,
p.m.
not yet.
Okay, okay. Okay, go, Nge. Sorry, Nge.
Okay, I finished.
Okay, what time does Chani want to leave the hotel? It's 6 p.m. Yes, correct. So she wants to have late checkout because the flight is 8 p.m. and she wants it 6 p.m. Okay. So here, second one. Okay. What information do you need to tell the receptionist if you need a late checkout? Okay, so basic information like room number, room name, so they can identify your room and prepared checkout time. For example, I'd like to check out 2 p.m. instead of 12 noon. Okay, very good. Wow, very good, Ni. Okay, next one. Okay. So what other ways can you ask for a late checkout? Okay, what other ways? Is it possible to have a late checkout? I have late flight, and so I was hoping to check out later than usual. Is that possible? Very good, Ni. Okay, or you can say, can I have check out later? Okay, so it could be like that. Wow, very good. The grammar is very nice. Very good, Ni. Okay, I was so happy. Next. Okay, so here. Completing the expressions for asking a late checkout. Can you please complete using the words below?
I finished.
Okay, so I approving with what you've done. Who is the today's manager whom I talked with him? Okay, very good. I need to check out later because of some arrangement. Please let me know after. What is this? After approving my request. This is approving my request. Please let me know after approving my request. I appreciate what you have done. So number one and number four, you change. Number one, the answer is not approving, it's appreciate. Appreciate what you have done. And number four, please let me know after approving my request. So after you approve my request, you have to let me know. Okay, that's correct. Okay. Okay, this one. Now, in the box, please put the expression in the correct box to make the conversation about late checkout. Okay, what do you think? Who is the one using this one and the guest? Okay, please try to write the letter only. Wait nga, I will turn on the aircon. Okay, just use the letter.
Teacher, I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay,
Okay?
okay, yeah. I can live, I can
Okay, teacher.
So CAD, it's CAD. Yes, sir. Hello, I have reservation under. Very good. Check out at 2 p.m., sir. So this is the CAD or the receptionist. And the BFE, hello, I have reservation. Okay, that's the guests. Okay, so you will have to tell the name. And letter F, what time do I need to check out? Letter F. Okay, you're asking the time. And letter E, I will be checking in late in the evening. So is it okay? Okay, very good. Yay. Great job, me. Okay. So, me. Ngi. Yeah, Ngi. Sorry, teacher Ann has another class. Okay. So, yeah, I will see you on tomorrow. Are you free tomorrow at 8 p.m.?
I don't
Oh, wait, wait,
know.
wait. Yeah, yeah, 8 p.m.
8 p.m.? No, I busy.
You are free?
I
8.
busy.
Ah, okay. What time you are free tomorrow? Or Wednesday? Are you free on Wednesday? 7 p.m. I know I have class at
No,
7 p.m. Sorry. What time? Tomorrow.
maybe on Friday.
Friday. Friday, what time? Yeah,
Friday.
Friday we have, well, but we have class Monday and Friday, right? Okay, Friday and Sunday, that would be okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, Friday, what time? Night,
Friday.
8 p.m.
Uh, in the morning. In the morning.
Okay, 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 okay. I will try to check in the morning if I have class. But tomorrow,